Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. The 1980 Yenko Camaro Turbo Z is a fascinating piece of automotive history that embodies the spirit of American muscle and the innovative engineering of its time. Developed by the legendary car dealer Don Yenko, who was known for his high-performance modifications to Chevrolet vehicles, the Turbo Z represents a unique blend of style, speed, and power. It stands out not just for its performance, but also for its distinctive design and limited production numbers, making it a coveted collector's item today. Originally known for producing modified Corvettes and Camaros that pushed the boundaries of performance, Yenko's name became synonymous with power. The 1980 Camaro Turbo Z was one of the last models to bear the Yenko name before the company transitioned into other ventures. This particular Camaro was built during a challenging time for American automotive manufacturers, as the industry faced increasing pressure from fuel economy standards and changing consumer preferences. Despite these challenges, the Turbo Z emerged as a bold statement, showcasing what a muscle car could still be. Under the hood, the Turbo Z was equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 engine, but what truly set it apart was the addition of a turbocharger. This forced induction system allowed the engine to produce a remarkable amount of horsepower, up to 375, delivering thrilling performance that could compete with the best of its time. The Turbo Z was capable of impressive acceleration, making it a favorite among enthusiasts who craved that exhilarating rush of speed. It also offered an upgraded suspension system, which helped to enhance handling, allowing drivers to experience a more responsive and engaging ride. Aesthetically, the Turbo Z was unmistakable, featuring aggressive styling that highlighted its performance capabilities. With distinctive graphics, a sportier front fascia, and unique badging, the car was designed to turn heads. The interior was equally impressive, boasting comfort and features that were advanced for its era, making it a pleasure to drive, whether on the track or the open road. The combination of performance and style made the Turbo Z a well-rounded vehicle that appealed to a broad audience. What makes the 1980 Yenko Camaro Turbo Z particularly interesting is its rarity. With only a few hundred units produced, it has become a sought-after collector's item. Over the years, enthusiasts and collectors have recognized its significance, leading to a rise in its value and desirability. Today, spotting a Turbo Z at car shows or auctions is a treat, as it offers a glimpse into a time when American muscle was at a crossroads, balancing raw power with the need for efficiency. In the grand narrative of American automobiles, the 1980 Yenko Camaro Turbo Z holds a special place. It represents not just a car, but a moment in automotive history when innovation was driven by passion and performance. For collectors and car lovers alike, the Turbo Z is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of the enduring legacy of the American muscle car and a testament to the vision of Don Yenko, whose contributions continue to inspire automotive enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're a die-hard Camaro fan or just someone who appreciates the beauty of classic cars, the Turbo Z stands as a remarkable reminder of what makes this era so unique and beloved in automotive history.